Place frozen strawberries in a deep dish or pot. Sprinkle sugar over berries and mix with a spoon. Let it sit overnight or for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. After the specified time, the berries will thaw and release juice. Transfer the contents to a pot and place it over medium heat. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the pot. Once the jam starts boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 30 minutes. Turn off the heat for 30 minutes to let the strawberry jam settle. Then return to the heat and repeat the boiling-cooling process. Stir the contents occasionally by gently rotating the pot. After the second stage, check if the jam is thick enough. If it's still liquid, repeat the third cycle. Pack the strawberry jam into jars, let them cool and refrigerate. Serve and enjoy.